Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Blackforexgroup coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be examining USDCHF. But before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content and trading content that can help improve your ability as a trader and help put some extra money in your pocket during these troubling times. Okay, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this chart and this currency pair breakdown. If you guys have been watching the Black Forex videos for some time, you know we're going to get into the fundamentals of what's happening with each currency respectively before we get into what's happening with the chart. So let's dive in and what's happening with the CHF. Now, as of the May the 20th, we did get some good news about the CHF. We have more positive news and negative news coming out about the CHF. But remember, we have to take this news with a grain of salt, okay? Because the entire European continent's economy still is destabilized because of the war between Russia and Ukraine. Okay, and those of you who watch our past videos explaining what's happening with the CHF or the other two major European continents currencies, which is the euro and Great British pound, you will know that any type of good news will cause the currency to have temporary strength, right? But that does not negate the long-term trajectory of weakness that it's facing due to the geopolitics that has destabilized the entire European continent's economy, which is related to the Russia-Ukrainian war. Okay, so remember, anytime positive news comes out, you're going to get. Anytime positive news comes out with those three European continents currencies, and especially with the CHF, so this is what we're dealing with, you're going to see an uptake in the strength of the CHF. Okay. But eventually that strength is going to die out, and you're going to see long term trajectory weakness happen with the CHF due to the destabilization of the entire European continent's economy. Okay. So always remember we have a war, until we have a ceasefire or a treaty between Russia and Ukraine, any strength that you see for the euro, the CHF, or the Great British pound is going to be temporary. And you can make money with that temporary strip, but remember when you're getting in these positions and be waiting and watching out for when the next time that news events comes out about that particular currency, okay? Because you don't want to be caught while it's switching back over, okay? So with the USD, we have a lot more negative news and positive news coming out about the USD. We're actually entering this part of our beginning of our trading week as the USD, one of our weaker currencies, and this also has to do with the rising of gas prices as well. The rising of gas prices is also causing a weakening of the USD. If you want to understand why that is happening, strongly suggest you watch the USD CAD video. We go into great detail about that. Okay. So with the rising in gas prices and the more negative news and positive news about the USD, and also the interventions and policies that the Feds have put in place have not combat inflation very effectively, that we're all starting to see a weakening of the US dollar and a declining of all the strength that it has recently gained over the several past prior trading weeks. Okay. So right now we're looking at a currency pair in which the USD is weak, and the CHF for right now is technically classified as strong, but it's classified as strong for only a short period of time until its inherited weakness kicks in. Okay, so as we said before, we did have some retracement on this chart, and base what's going to happen is going to be truly based on what's going to happen with the USD. Okay, so if the USD starts picking up starts to gain any type of strength, then we will see price starts to pick up here to here. But if the USD continues to gain weak, then we're going to see price pick up, but it's going to be very choppy and sloppy, and we very well could go back down. So we're going to give the where price can go with both scenarios. So if the USD starts to get any type of strength, or we have more so positive news than negative news about the US economy, economic news tomorrow, then we're going to see a pick up in price, possibly even here, or here. Okay. But if we continue to see a weakening of the USD, what we're going to do is we're going to see a pickup in price to about this area here or here before we start to range out and continue to go down. Okay, so if we start having positive news about the USD, price is going to go up to here, here, or here before we range out, pathetic push down, and we continue to go back towards the long position. But if we continue to have negative news about the USD, right, then what we're going to see is prices pick up some and then have another drastic drop, just like we did here. Okay. It could drop as low as here, here, or even here. Okay. And also, this same thing is also contingent on what's happening with the CHF. If the inherited weakness of the CHF starts to kick in, then we're going to also see a pickup in price of this area here. But if the U is the C if the CH if excuse me if the CHF continues to gets back is excuse me if the CHF continues to be strong, then we're going to see a drop in price here, here, or here. But if the CHF's inherited weakness comes in and it starts to lose all the strength, it starts to lose its short-term strength that is gained from this positive news, then we're going to see we're going to see we're going to see price continue to go up. Okay. So price going up is all contingent on a strengthening USD and a weakening CHF. If price starts going down, that is contingent on a weakening USD and a strengthening CHF. So please understand the scenarios and what is happening before you are placing the trades, because it will give you insight on how far you can push the trade. Okay. So if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get up-to-date information and notifications on every time we drop new trading content. Also, we ask that you guys please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos will allow our videos to get pushed further out there in YouTube so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders, okay? And also, last but not least, we ask that you guys please reach out to us and let us know what type market analysis videos that you guys do want to see. By letting us know what type market analysis videos you do want to see, we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. You can leave a comment on whatever video that you watch or what type of chart that you want broken down, or you can reach out to us through our email or through our social media. The links to our email and social media is in the description of every video. Please reach out to us and let us know what videos that you guys do want to see so we can post them and know how to best to accommodate and serve you. And with that being said, happy trading.